In front of me is VIVO iQOO Z10, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then pick any of those themes by clicking on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you finished, hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go back to the same settings. And this time tap on this plus under my themes. Now click on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!